Okie dokie, here we can hear you. We're going to do a Sherlock investigation on myself. So what we first need to do is we need to go to GitHub and we need to go ahead and clone the Sherlock project onto our computer. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to GitHub. We're going to go to the Sherlock project, download it. Once we have it downloaded here, we're going to go ahead and CD into that file, or in that directory. So we're there within it. So what we need to do is we need to install some requirements for the Python 3. So we're going to go ahead and type that in, Python 3 with tac M, pip install with tac R, requirements for text. Once we get these requirements installed and ready to go, we will be ready to run Sherlock, and it's really that simple. So once we got this going, we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in who we're going to use and search for, and we're going to search for a couple different usernames. So we're going to type in Python 3 Sherlock, and I typed in help tac or Sherlock tac help, and found that if we did the tac timeout here, like I'm doing, we're going to time out the search per social media site to 2 seconds, and we're going to do my the username for myself. We're going to show it just comes back with a few things. It's a pretty quick scan. There isn't a whole bunch of sites for me, but I was figuring we could find maybe a site or a username, possible username, that we can search for that maybe has a lot of different returns on it. So here I'm just going to cat into that file, and you can see that here's the websites. We can go check them out if we want. What we're going to do now is we're going to Python 3 up into here and do another one. But this time I'm going to try a more popular name, and we'll see what comes back with that. And of course, we're going to come back with a mass amount of different websites. What's really interesting was the different sites that you could have accounts on. So this might be interesting to come back through and just look, like that very last one, .dc. So that might be kind of interesting to look at if you were to go and do a more of a thorough OSINT investigation on that subject. As you can see, I can't type in the full name. But that is it. That is Sherlock running a username, looking for social media accounts. Thanks for watching.